Number 5. If this matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Item?
Item number 5, part 2.
Part 2.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I'm for the appellant and I have no objection.
No objection. You are for the
I'm for
appellant?
the appellant. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Miss
Latlan Louis.
Land Council for the respondent number
1 to 3.
1 to 3. Praise for adjournment of the matter for how much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. To which Mr. Lal Fakwala.
Sheila Fakzola. Sheila Fakzola.
C. Lal Fakwala. Land Council for appellant has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Okay.
May it please your lordship, I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 2 items from the part 2
Item?
hearing list. One is your lordship, item number 8.
8.
Yes, your lordship. I've taken the consent of the other party. If this matter may be listed again
Okay.
after the ensuing vacations, your
Okay.
lordship.
Miss
Lal Nun Lui, your lordship.
Lal,
Lal Nun Lui.
You're
For
for
state
the
respondents.
petitioner.
Your lordship, for the state respondents, 1 to 6.
You are for
State
respondent.
Yes, your lordship. State respondents.
Okay. Government advocate.
Yes, your lordship.
Land government advocate with the consent of land council for the petitioner. Praise for adjournment of the matter for.
Your lordship, if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay. 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
And your lordship, another item that I would like to mention is item number 13 of the part 2 list.
13.
Yes, your lordship. I've
Here
taken,
also you have taken consent.
yes, your lordship, I've taken the consent of the opposite counsel. If this matter may be fixed on the 23rd of April, your lordship.
Okay. Miss so huh? Land government advocate with the consent of the land council for the petitioner. Praise for listing this matter on
23rd April.
23rd April. The prayer is allowed. List this matter on 23rd. Okay.
Much obliged, your lordship.
My lord, if part 2, item number 6 may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks.
Part 2.
Yeah, part 2, item number 6.
You are for
I'm for the appellant
appellant.
on behalf of
Have you
my
informed
senior.
the other side?
Yes, my lord, I am for the sole respondent.
No objection.
No objection, my lord.
Okay. Similar order. Miss so land council for the appellant. Praise for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. To which Mr.
Sitlan Thiang Lima.
C. Than Thiang Lima. Land council for the respondent has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
Well, in this case, by the earlier order dated 27 to 2026, I was permitted to file additional affidavit and also amended affidavit. I have, in fact, as per my instruction, they have filed an IA today for withdrawal of the affidavit that has been filed, which suffers from
Withdrawal
formal
of?
defect. Withdrawal of the affidavit filed by the NHIDCL. I am for the NHIDCL because of certain formal defects. It has been sworn by the General Manager P, describing himself to be the respondent number 3, but in fact he is not the party there. It is an inadvertent mistake. So that's a formal defect. I may be permitted to withdraw the email or affidavit, and for which IA has been filed. Perhaps it is not on record.
IA is not in record.
Yes, madam, because it is as per my instruction, it is filed today.
Filed today. Can we take up after some time? Let the IA come. IA is to
Already
be disposed of
Lordship, my lord. Let
Okay.
it be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, let's wait for by.
Along with the IA, my lord. That's
Okay.
filed today.
Okay, Mr.
I'm Saiki, my lord.
Land Senior Council for the you are for
I am for the NHIDCL respondent number 6 and 7.
respondent number 6 and 7 submits that he has filed and IA seeking withdrawal of the affidavit in opposition.
Yes, my lord.
Withdrawal of the affidavit in opposition.
Opposition. Today itself.
Already
However,
filed.
The IA is not on record. In view of the above, let this matter be listed tomorrow again with the IA. Okay?
Lordship.
Okay.
Oblige me.
Item number 2.
Lordship, we have received affidavit in opposition from all the respondents, so we'd like to file a reply affidavit to the respondents. So I seek another a week's time to file the same.
You are for
The sole petitioner,
petitioner. Have you filed reply?
not yet.
Not yet. You're seeking time. How much?
Week's time.
Week's time. No objection. Okay. Mr.
Stephen Lalbuat Saya for
C.
Stephen Lalbuat Saya on behalf of my senior Mr. Sida Ramzawa.
On behalf of?
My senior Mr. Sida Ramzawa.
Okay. Ral Ramjava. Okay. Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for father. How much time you said? 2 weeks.
1 week time.
1 week. Father, 1 week time to file affidavit in reply. To the affidavit so filed by the respondent. Okay. Mr. Mr.
Respondent is 1 to 5.
Okay. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 5 is present and has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after
1 week.
1 week. Okay.
Obligement.
Item number 3.
Milords, in this matter, I appear for respondent number 1. I recently came to know that this application has been filed, Milords, and therefore I seek some time to file reply.
You want to file reply?
My lords, I appear for respondent number 1, Balaji Developers.
You are for respondent number? 1.
1. Yes, Milords.
Who is for the petitioner here?
I'm appearing for the petitioner, Lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, in the last court date, notice was deemed complete, Lordship. And then today is fixed for admission hearing. But however, the counsel for the respondent number 1 appears today, and they haven't filed their power yet.
Okay.
The first time they have
Milords,
been applying.
it will require some time, Milords. It has to come from Delhi.
Otherwise, 2 and 3 appeared. 2 and 3 also?
Yes, Your Lordship. State respondents is 3.
You are for 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
They are the state respondents, Lordship. And respondent number 2 also, they have already been represented. But however, today it seems they are not appearing.
Just a minute.
Respondent number 3 is the pro forma respondent. Number 1, number 2, they are absent.
Okay. Civil revision, otherwise lies.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Lordship, in my humble opinion. Since this is not an appealable order, Lordship, we are filing the revision petition.
May I also apprise, Milords, that the order against which my learned friend has come in appeal, my lords, we were directed by the court below to pay a sum of rupees 7,000 or something, which we have already paid, my lords. So, nevertheless, it is their right to come before this court, so I don't object to it. I am just seeking time to file my reply, my lords.
Okay, Miss.
H. Lalmal Swami.
Okay, line counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr.
Satya Prakash Sharan.
Satya Prakash Saran,
Sharan, yes,
line counsel
my
for
lords.
appearing on behalf of respondent number 3.
Correct, my lords. Respond number 1. Respond number 1, my
Oh,
lords.
sorry. 1.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, my lords.
1. Praise for. How much time you said?
My lords, around 1.5 months, because everything has to come from Delhi, my lords.
This matter has been pending for more than 1 year, Lordship, and they
That is
just
correct, my
appear.
lords, but we,
Okay, we'll say 4
That is
weeks.
correct, my lords.
We'll say 4 weeks. We'll say 4 weeks.
but it will require, my lords, everything has to come by post to Mizoram.
So what?
So
How
it
much?
takes a
How much time? How much time it
It
takes?
takes some considerable. Anyways, my lords may kindly grant me 4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
No issues.
Time to file.
And my lords, they may be directed to supply me with a clear copy. My associate is present there, my lords, before the court.
You
So,
haven't received the clear copy.
No, my lords.
We've already
The
sent a
copy has
copy
been sent.
to respondent number 1
Yes, my lords.
through register
Yes, my
post.
lords.
And moreover, Lordship, as per
My
the
lords.
request of my learned friend, I have already sent the PDF copy of the soft copy of the
Yes, my lords.
petition also.
That we have just received PDF copy, my lords. So far as the hard copy is concerned, we have not received it, my lords. And we are just at sea as to why it did not reach us. Though we have shifted our office, but then again it is besides the previous office itself. Anyways, my lords, it would be very kind, my lords, if my lords may direct my learned friend, the appellant, to kindly supply a fresh copy, my lords, to my friend, my associate who is present before the court, my
You're
lords. At
appearing
present.
for the first time, it appears.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
They are appearing for
Okay,
the
Mr. So-and-so
Correct, Lords.
appears on behalf of the
Correct.
respondent number 1. And prays for some time to go through and to file reply. File affidavit.
Along with my wakalatnama also, my lords.
Okay, file wakalatnama and also an affidavit, if required. The prayer is allowed. Is prayed for, list this matter after 4 weeks. Then Miss her presence, learned government advocate, is also present on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3.
Number 3
Only
only,
3, Your
Lordship.
Lordship.
Number
3.
2, they are not appearing today, Lordship. It seems they're
Okay,
they're absent.
3, Who is 2, you said?
2 is NBCC.
NBCC.
They are already represented, but however,
Okay,
Lordship.
but today not
I mean,
present.
yes.
Okay. Whether 2 has filed response?
No, Your Lordship, they haven't filed it, but I don't think they are filing any response to
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay, list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
Lords.
My lord, I will be submitting my wakalatnama today for the respondent.
You are for respondent number?
For the for the
Legal
sole
aid counsel?
respondent. Yeah. No.
Okay.
Yes, my lord, if I may make small submissions regarding this matter. Yes, my lord. First, this is a situation where the respondent is not appointing a new counsel to replace the old counsels. She has already engaged another counsel.
Earlier.
Yes. In fact, the respondent is appointing an additional counsel to work as a team with the present counsel, my lord.
Now, who has filed wakalatnama? Have you filed?
My lord, I'll be filing it today. The reason being that the previous councils, they are from outstation.
Okay.
They are not able to come here on a daily
Okay,
basis.
you'll be filing your wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord, if I may make another submission, this matter is a pension matter and a livelihood of the petitioner, my lord. So this
regarding
matter
pension?
has been dragged for quite a long time, my lord.
It's a pension.
Yes, a pension matter.
So you said that the delay has been condoned
Yes, my lord.
without giving notice.
Oh, there's no.
It's not a pension. Pension.
This is a pension matter. Against the order passed by the court of civil judge Lunglei, my lord.
Okay. Withdrawal of the pen. Okay.
And this matter has been
Matter,
dragged for quite a long time, my lord.
No, for initiating a probate proceedings. It's
For
a
the
probate
probate
only,
case, my
not
lord,
pension,
yes.
I think.
It's a problem.
Yes, my lord. But this that probate case is regarding a pension.
Okay.
The petitioner and the respondents.
Now
respondent.
you said that you are necessary party.
Pardon, my lord.
You were the necessary party in the condonation petition filed before the civil judge.
No, my lord. That because in the probate case, we were not informed anything about that matter, and we came to know that case from the judge only, from the said judge, that a probate case has been filed, and when we came to know that, we came to this honorable court, my lord.
Okay. So now your claim is that because otherwise condoning the delay
Yes, my lord.
is this order was passed in exercise of his discretion. The learned civil judge has passed this order while exercising his discretion only,
Yes, my lord.
not amenable to the revision. Okay? But then since you are alleging that you were not informed, no notice was given
No
to
notice
you.
was given to
So
us.
have you annexed the condonation petition filed before the civil judge? You said that you were not informed, you have not been made as a party. Have you annexed the condonation application filed before the civil judge by the respondent?
With that, I am not so sure with that, my
because-
lord. I'm so sorry to say that.
Because the only allegation, your only allegation is that you have not been informed and you have not been made as a party, although you
We
are
are not- yes,
although
my-
you are a necessary party.
Yes, my
Okay,
lord.
so this court would like to see the application where you have not been made as a party. It appears that in all the cases you are the only sole respondent, and how this order can be passed, of course, if you have not been made as a party, the application cannot.
But my lord,
Application cannot lie before the civil judge without making party. So, have you annexed that application? No.
I am not sure, but maybe we may be annexed, but I'm so sorry to say
Because
that, my
otherwise-
lord, I did not bring my file today.
Okay. So, okay, you want to
And-
file wakalatnama as well as
The
also
reply,
And
Reply.
my lord,
objection.
objection.
I humbly request that the respondent shall be given 2 weeks' time to file their objection, and if this matter may kindly come up as a fixed item on last week of April,
Okay,
as a fixed
well,
item, my lord.
My lord,
we
we
may-
have not yet received the
Copy of-
copies.
And with
Not yet received.
Not yet.
Okay, you served the copy.
yes, my lord, and we served
My
to
lord, if it is
to the previous council also, my lord. We have already served
Okay,
to
now
the
since
previous council.
the previous counsel is from outside, you serve him.
Yes.
Serve her. Sorry.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, a copy. So previous council has not transferred or handed over the
Not
brief
yet.
to you. Not.
Not yet, my lord.
Okay.
And it is difficult for us to go there and
Contact.
get the copies.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, my lord will serve to
Hard miss.
Miss Rosie.
Hmm?
Miss Rosie.
Roji. Man Lao Sangi, then counsel for the petitioner. Miss
Emily L. something.
Emily would appear on behalf of the respondent number, the sole respondent, and prays for some time to file her wakalatnama and also a response for which she prays for 2 weeks' time. Prayer aloud. So, Miss Emily also submits that she has not been furnished with the copy of the petition. Okay. The Lana Council, Miss Rogers, shall furnish a copy of the petition to Miss Emily within 3 working days.
Maybe
Okay.
tomorrow also we can
Okay.
serve, my lord.
Within 2 days from today. Stava. Is prayed for, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes,
Okay.
my
Whether record need to be called for? We'll call for the
It
record
may
also.
not be needed, my
Record
lord.
not yet called for.
It may not be needed.
Then you probably has not annexed the application for condonation of delay. That will be available. Do you have the copy? Have you annexed? I haven't seen.
With that, I
Because
I will take
your
instructions
sole
with the
the
leading
only
counsel, my
allegation-
lord. Yes.
Only allegation is that you have not been made as a party while in the condonation petition.
Okay.
Otherwise, revision may not lie. But if you have not been made as a party, then revision probably would lie.
Yes.
Under 227. Okay.
Okay. Yes, my lord.
You serve copy and then the petitioner has not annexed. Can you just see once whether you have annexed or not copy and order application for probate? Just a minute, huh? It may be there.
Yes, my lord, if I am not wrong.
Just it appears it is there.
Annexure 13 and 14.
You are for Banlal Pare? No.
Zodin Puye, my
Sorry,
lord.
Jodin.
Vanlal Pari, she
He
is the second wife.
Applicant in the
Probate case.
No. So she has not been made as a party. I think there is a difficulty. We need to. Can you dispose of, otherwise send back to the trial court to reconsider, because she was not given any notice, not made as a party also. Can you just you want to see? This is not a long matter.
My lord, if
No
it can
point.
be
No point. Because he has not been made as a party. Just so around.
if we could just have a copy for, maybe if it can be taken up
See,
in
because the only challenge.
coming week.
The only challenge is that while filing the condonation application, she has not been informed nor made as a party. So that is the condonation application. She has not been made as a party. This has
My
to
lord,
go.
if-
This has to send back or remanded back to the trial court to reconsider after giving an opportunity. That's the only question.
My lord, if we could be at least given a week's time.
Okay. Okay, list this matter after 2 weeks. Huh?
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 5.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I have taken steps upon the sole respondent on 18/11/2025. Until date, Edicard has not returned yet. So if I may be allowed to take steps by way of that stay.
Okay. In view of the office note dated 2/4/2026, Miss
Nero pare.
Lani Counsel for
Appellant.
the appellant. Submits that she may be permitted to take fresh steps upon the respondent number.
Sole respondent.
Okay,
Lordship.
sole respondent by Dusty service.
Yes, Lordship.
By a Dusty mode. Huh? The prayer is allowed. Service of notice upon the respondent number, a sole respondent be taken by way of Dusty mode, a Dusty service, to be routed through the registry. So the appellant shall also file affidavit after causing Dusty service. Okay?
Yes, Lordship.
List this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Duly obliged.
Item number 6.
My lord, I'm appearing for the respondent as a legal aid counsel. I think
Okay,
the
who is for the
petitioners are
petitioner?
not present, my lord.
Petitioner is not present.
Yes. In the last occasion also, my lord, they were not present.
Last occasion also.
Yes.
This was initially it was filed before the Guwahati High Court.
Yes. It's
Transferred. Whether
transferred
it was
to
notified.
Adjournment.
Whether it was notified
That
that this has been transferred.
I believe so, but
It appears the counsel are from.
yes,
No,
yes, they are from
here
Guwahati.
only. The counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner are from here only.
No, I think they are from Guwahati, my lord.
Guwahati. That is,
Yes.
it was probably not notified.
Yes,
Not yet
yeah,
notified. Okay.
But on the transfer, I think they will be notified, but I don't have the proof.
None appears for the petitioner on call. It appears that the transfer of this matter from principal seat has not yet been notified to the petitioner. Stuff. The registry shall do the needful stuff. However, Mr.
Sitlan Thiang Lima.
Learned Legal Aid Counsel, he is present on behalf of the respondent. How many respondent?
Sole respondent. Sole respondent.
Sole respondent. Are you going to file any?
Yes, my lords. If I may be given 2 weeks' time to file my
And
objection.
praise for 2 weeks' time to file
Why objection?
objection. Prayer is allowed. Have you received the copy?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
Item number 7.
Lordship, as per the office note, the respondent number 2 has not returned yet. Notice upon respondent number 2. So if it may be awaited.
Okay. You are
I'm for the respondent number 1. I'm the claimant, my lord. I will
Okay.
be filing objection to the IA
Why?
because it's a delay condonation, my lord.
The
I
challenge
would
is
like
against challenge is against what?
the award, my lord.
Award.
Yes.
Yes,
The award was made in my favor, my lord. I'm the claimant before the learned commissioner,
Okay.
and the
What is the ground for challenge? It's on a quantum or what?
Yes, Lordship, regarding the quantum.
Quantum.
Yes, Lordship.
Just a minute. Huh?
And Lordship,
Are you also praying for
the
stay?
insurance seems to be a fake policy.
The challenge is against whom?
We have challenged against the claimants and the owner of the vehicle.
Who else is the other party?
The respondent number 2 is the owner of the vehicle.
Owner. Whether they are necessary party?
Yes, Lordship, necessary party. Since the accident motor seems to be a fake policy. Fake policy.
Fake policy.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then
The accident
why
motor.
should you have delay of how many days?
It's 235 days, my lord. So I would like to file my objection.
I think then in that case, no point. It's better. Are you also praying for a stay of the operation of the?
Yes, Lordship.
And you deposit the 50%?
Yes, Lordship.
Then in that case, can we allow this condonation? In
My
any
lord,
case,
I
in
have
any
not
case it-
received. I have not received a copy of the stay application as well as the appeal memo. So I don't know whether I have to look into the.
It will be beneficial to you because in any case, it will go for merit.
I understand that, my
Because
lord.
their challenge is that it is a fake
Yes.
insurance company. In any case, it will be allowed only. No point. What we can do at best for you also, that this condonation application can be allowed and then stay also allowed, and then they will deposit 50%, which you can withdraw.
I understand that, my lord. And liability will have to be shifted to the owner of the
No
vehicle,
problem,
my
no
lord.
problem.
But I have not seen a copy of the appeal memo. That is why I've only received a copy of the the condonation application.
You have received.
Yes, only then, my lord. I have not received a copy of the.
Now they will serve a copy of the appeal.
Then it can be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord, awaiting service of the notice upon the respondent.
What I am
number 2 as well.
proposing is just no point prolonging it.
I understand
Just
that, my lord.
condone the delay, you get a copy, file objection there, and then they will deposit. No point, even if it's kept it for a long time also, it will be allowed only, the condonation of
Respondent number 2,
delay will be condoned only under such circumstances. The delay is also not inordinate delay. In any case, you are going to receive.
I understand that, my lord.
Isn't it?
Either from them or from the
either
owner,
from this or
yes,
that.
yes.
But then, what is the point
I understand that, my lord.
for objection? But still, you.
But I want to go through the grounds of appeal. That is my only
Okay,
point.
okay.
Because I want to know what are the grounds they have taken in their appeal.
Okay. So what do we do with the other respondent? You want to take fresh steps?
Your service may be awaited, Lordship.
Awaited.
Yes, since it's from Sertip, it's a different district.
Okay. Miss
Laropari,
Line Counsel for the
applicant.
applicant is present. Mr.
Sitlan Thiang Lima. For respondent number 1.
Line Counsel for the respondent number 1. Line Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. He is also present and prays for some time to file objection. Stop. The office note dated 16/2/2026 reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 2 is still awaited. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Land Council for the respondent, list his matter after 2 weeks. Okay, in the meantime, you want a copy of the appeal memo also?
My lord, but that will be subject to the
Later, okay, later, okay,
condoning this.
after 2 weeks.
Give me
Yes.
oblige.
Item number 8.
Seek your Lordship's indulgence, mentioning on behalf of the senior counsel. My Lord, he is out of station, and on his request, if this matter may come up after vacation,
After vacation. You are for
consent has
resp-
been taken from the other party.
You are for
I'm for respondent number 1.
Okay, who is for the petitioner? Applicant?
Mr. Jonathan,
He is not present here.
not present. Although I have taken consent.
Okay, taking consent. Just a minute, huh? You want to file objection?
We have already filed.
Already filed?
Yes.
Okay. Miss
Ms. Rudolph Feli.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Miss. You are appearing on behalf of?
Respondent number 1.
Okay. Praise for. When do you want, you said?
After vacation.
Okay, listing this matter after 2 weeks. She has also obtained consent from the land council for the applicant. Staff age prayed for, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Item number 9.
My pleasure, Lordship. My Lord, this IA is for condemnation of delay.
Yes.
However, my Lord, the notice of the service AD card has not returned. There are 2 respondents in this matter, my Lord. So I believe we have to wait for the AD card return, my Lord. Respondent number 1 is the claimant in the commissioner in lower court, my Lord, and the respondent number 2 is the owner of the vehicle. This is for condonation of delay of 146 days, my Lord.
Have they received?
It is not yet returned, my Lord. AD
Postal
card.
received from postal offices in respect of respondent number 1 and 2. Kept in file. Just a minute, huh? Is there? Okay.
This is only a postal receipt.
Okay. Just a minute. Notice also respondent number on so and so. AD card report have not yet received. Okay. This was earlier. It appears 13-1. Okay.
My Lord, the notice was issued on 13/1/2026.
Yes, 13/1.
My Lord.
Not yet returned.
Not yet returned till date, my Lord.
So now it's been since January.
It's been quite a while, my Lord.
What do we do?
My Lord, yeah, if we can wait for 2 more weeks.
I think no point. This was in the way back in the month of January only.
13/1/2026, my Lord.
Yes. Now we are on
The month of April, my Lord.
now probably you may have to take fresh steps. Who are they? Where they stay?
They are in Champai. This is Champai district, my Lord.
Hmm?
Champai
Champai.
district. Yes, my Lord.
How long it take? It won't take much time. It shouldn't, isn't it?
It's not
But
very
then-
far, my Lord. Yes.
It's been 3 months. Champai.
My Lord.
whether your address, is it the proper address?
I believe so, my lord, because this is as per the.
I don't think in this address, the letter or anything will reach. Son of sons, resident of Wanglai Champai.
My lord.
How and where it will reach? Not possible. Probably you may have to ascertain the proper address. No point waiting for this.
Yes, my lord.
This is not the proper address. You take fresh steps, ascertain the proper address. This will not come back. If you really want the case to proceed. Okay. In view of the office note, this office note is also of, okay, recently also. The office note dated 2/4/2026. Mr.
Benjamin Laslamona.
Land Council for the applicant. Submits that he may be allowed to, he may be granted some time to ascertain the proper address of the respondent and to take fresh steps upon the address of the respondent number 1 and 2 and take fresh steps upon them. Stop. The prayer is allowed. Stop. Steps by speed post as well as by usual process within 2 weeks. I'm giving you 2 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
My lord.
Okay. You ascertain the address first.
Obliged, my lord.
Anyone for hearing?
No one. Okay.